The dream of early retirement is a powerful one. Imagine waking up each morning without the obligation of a job, free to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply relax and enjoy life's simple pleasures. This dream is within reach for many, but it requires careful planning and a clear understanding of your financial needs. The central question is, how much money do I need to retire early in 2024? This video will explore this question, providing practical steps and real-world examples. Early retirement isn't about being rich. It's about aligning your spending with your values. It's about designing a life you don't need to escape from. Think about what truly brings you joy and how you can incorporate those things into your daily life. This mindset shift is crucial for a successful early retirement. This video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to determine your magic number and create a roadmap to achieve it. Early retirement is a journey, not a destination, and requires ongoing adjustments and refinements. Be flexible and adaptable, and remember that the ultimate goal is to live a life you love, on your own terms. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with anyone who needs help with early retirement planning. Let's get started. Retirement lifestyles vary greatly, from simple living in a low-cost area to jet-setting around the world. Your desired lifestyle impacts your retirement expenses and savings. Visualize your ideal retirement. Do you see yourself tending a garden, exploring cities, or volunteering for a cause? A minimalist retirement can be cheaper than one filled with luxury travel. Consider what truly matters and create a fulfilling retirement without breaking the bank. Prioritize experiences and relationships over material possessions. The cost of living varies dramatically depending on your location. Retiring in a bustling city like New York or San Francisco will require a significantly larger nest egg than retiring in a smaller town or a country with a lower cost of living. Research different locations and consider the trade-offs between amenities and affordability. Healthcare costs are another crucial factor to consider. Medical expenses can be substantial, especially as we age. Factor in potential healthcare costs, including insurance premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket expenses. Investigate different healthcare options and consider the long-term implications. Your lifestyle choices will also play a significant role in determining your retirement expenses. Do you enjoy fine dining, frequent travel, or expensive hobbies? These lifestyle choices can quickly add up and impact your retirement savings needs. Be realistic about your spending habits and adjust your retirement plan accordingly. Consider downsizing your home or relocating to a less expensive area to reduce your housing costs. Explore affordable healthcare options and consider long-term care insurance to protect your assets. Making informed choices about your location and lifestyle can significantly impact your retirement savings needs. Healthcare expenses can be a significant concern for retirees. Medical costs tend to increase with age, and unexpected illnesses or injuries can quickly deplete your savings. Understanding the potential costs of healthcare is crucial for planning a secure retirement. Research different health insurance plans and consider the coverage they offer. Medicare, the U.S. government health insurance program for people age 65 and older, provides essential coverage but doesn't cover all medical expenses. Supplemental insurance, such as Medigap policies, can help fill the gaps in Medicare coverage. Research different supplemental insurance options to find the best fit for your needs. Long-term care insurance can provide financial protection for extended care services, such as nursing homes or assisted living facilities. These services can be expensive, and long-term care insurance can help protect your assets from being depleted by these costs. Evaluate the potential benefits and costs of long-term care insurance. Consider maintaining a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and preventive care. This can help reduce your risk of developing chronic illnesses and minimize your long-term healthcare expenses. Investing in your health is an investment in your financial future. Inflation is the gradual increase in the prices of goods and services over time. It erodes the purchasing power of your savings. Understanding inflation is essential for a secure retirement. Factor inflation into your retirement calculations. Invest in assets that outpace inflation. Stocks and real estate can help maintain your savings value. Diversify to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Regularly review and adjust your plan for inflation. Calculating your retirement number. The 4% rule is a popular guideline for estimating how much you can safely withdraw from your retirement savings each year. It suggests withdrawing 4% of your portfolio in the first year of retirement and adjusting that amount for inflation each subsequent year. This rule aims to provide a sustainable income stream throughout retirement. Consult with a financial advisor to determine the best approach for your situation. Consider other income streams like part-time work or rental income. Estimate your retirement expenses by analyzing your current spending habits and projecting future costs. Building your nest egg faster. Cutting expenses is one of the most effective ways to accelerate your retirement savings. Identify areas where you can reduce spending without sacrificing your quality of life. Brew your own coffee, pack your lunch, and explore free or low-cost entertainment options. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Increase your savings rate by automating regular contributions to your retirement accounts. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your retirement accounts each month. This ensures consistent savings and helps you reach your retirement goals faster. Even small increases in your savings rate can have a significant impact over time. Investing your savings wisely is crucial for maximizing your returns. Consider a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes. Consult with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your risk tolerance and financial goals. Long-term investing can generate significant wealth over time. Practical steps to early retirement. Create a detailed retirement plan that outlines your financial goals, projected expenses, and investment strategy. This plan will serve as your roadmap to early retirement and help you stay on track. Regularly review and update your plan as your circumstances change. Seek professional advice from a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs and goals. A financial advisor can help you create a comprehensive retirement plan, manage your investments, and navigate complex financial decisions. Choose a qualified advisor who you trust and who understands your goals. Stay motivated and focused on your early retirement goals by visualizing your ideal retirement and reminding yourself of the benefits of financial independence. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage your journey. Celebrate milestones along the way to maintain momentum. Embracing the early retirement dream. Early retirement is achievable with careful planning, disciplined saving, and a clear understanding of your financial needs. By defining your retirement lifestyle, calculating your retirement number, and implementing practical steps to build your nest egg, you can create a path to financial freedom. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Take action today by evaluating your current financial situation, setting realistic goals, and creating a plan to achieve them. Small steps taken consistently over time can lead to significant progress. Start now, and don't delay your dream of early retirement. Share this essay with friends and family who are also interested in pursuing early retirement. Together, you can support each other, share resources, and create a community of like-minded individuals striving for financial independence. Spread the word and inspire others to pursue their dreams. Remember that early retirement is not just about the money, it's about living a fulfilling life on your own terms. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and create a retirement that reflects your values and passions. The rewards of early retirement are well worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments. What's your dream retirement lifestyle? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.